Even though Betelgeuse is only 642 light-years from Earth, its enormous size makes it possibly one of the most brilliant stars visible to the naked eye. In any case, Betelgeuse has recently displayed bizarre behavior like amazing darkening and lighting up. The red, massive monster Betelgeuse, found in the magnificent body of Orion, has long captivated stargazers and cosmologists alike due to its sheer size and brightness. If it were placed where our Sun is, it would extend out to the orbit of Jupiter, confirming its enormous size. The renowned physicist Brian Cox recently made the critical claim that Betelgeuse is on the verge of a devastating blast that is anticipated to occur within the next 2 weeks. This event, known as a supernova, will mark the end of Betelgeuse's life but will also present researchers with an incredible opportunity to study one of the most unexpected and powerful phenomena in the universe as a red supergiant. Cycles are what many researchers believe indicate that the star is nearing the end of its life. Betelgeuse is categorized as one of the largest and most massive types of stars. It has been on the astronomical radar for a long time, but its recent strange brightness fluctuations have led to theories that it is getting ready for a supernova. When a star like Betelgeuse reaches the end of its life, its core implodes under its own gravity, resulting in a massive explosion that releases a huge amount of energy, radiation, and cosmic material into space. The impending blast is expected to be a Type II supernova, a particular kind of celestial explosion that occurs when the core of a massive star collapses. While such an event would normally be catastrophic if it occurred near Earth, Betelgeuse's distance of about 642 light-years means that even though the blast will be visible and dramatic, it will not pose any danger to life on our planet. Nevertheless, the event promises to change our understanding of supernova and cosmic phenomena. The explosion will be so bright that it may be visible from Earth without telescopes, possibly even outshining the moon in the night sky for weeks or months. One of the universe's most powerful phenomena, a supernova releases more energy in a few seconds than the Sun does in its lifetime. Researchers are excited to watch this fascinating event from its earliest moments using a variety of ground-based and space-based telescopes, including the James Webb Space Telescope and the Hubble Space Telescope, in order to gather as much data as possible. When Betelgeuse explodes, it will emit a wide range of radiation from visible light to gamma rays. Betelgeuse's explosion will not only be an aston in cosmic display but also a significant moment for science. A significant feature of the supernova will be the deluge of neutrinos, which are elusive subatomic particles that seldom ever interact with anything. Because they can travel through nearly everything unaffected, neutrinos from a supernova can actually reach Earth before the light from the explosion. As a result, observatories like Japan's Super Cameo Candy and the Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory in Antarctica are getting ready to detect these neutrinos, giving them an early advantage in tracking Betelgeuse's last moments. The explosion will also provide important light on how heavy metals are created. When stars explode, they release and scatter elements like iron, gold, silver, and uranium, which are necessary for life as we know it. Betel fluids will be studied. Supernova will offer researchers a clearer view of this element formation process, which is crucial for understanding the formation of planets and the chemistry of the universe. While Betelgeuse's supernova is not expected to have a destructive impact on Earth, it will interact with our planet's atmosphere and magnetic field in captivating ways. The energy burst from the explosion, specifically the emission of cosmic rays and charged particles, could result in more intense auroras, expanding the regions where the northern and southern lights are visible. While these cosmic rays could affect satellite communications and some technologies on Earth, the disruptions are expected to be minor and brief. Perhaps one of the most exciting parts of Betelgeuse's blast is that it will be visible to everyone on Earth, not just professional astronomers with advanced equipment, for weeks or even months. Betelgeuse is expected to be the brightest object in the night sky, potentially even visible during the daytime. This spectacle will captivate not only the scientific community but also amateur astronomers and the general public, sparking renewed interest in space science and the universe. Although scientists have long conjectured about the demise of Betelgeuse, Brian Cox's recent statement adds a sense of urgency. Observations around the world are getting ready to track every stage of the supernova, and the information gathered will be crucial, possibly altering our understanding of the distribution of heavy matter in the universe and stellar evolution supernovae. Juices from beetles. The event will provide a once-in-a-lifetime chance to study dark matter and how it might affect the universe's structure. Supernovas will also enable researchers to improve their models of cosmic distances because they are relatively close to Earth and provide a unique opportunity to measure how energy from such a blast travels through space by observing the light and radiation from the supernova as it interacts with the interstellar medium, the gas and dust between stars. Although it is difficult to detect, dark matter, the enigmatic element that makes up about 85% of the universe's mass, may be indirectly revealed by examining how matter and light react near Betelgeuse following its explosion. The role of dark matter in the large-scale structure of the cosmos. Supernovas, which are the primary cosmic events that disperse heavy elements throughout the universe and eventually form new stars, planets, and even living things, will also help us better understand the life cycles of stars, especially how massive stars contribute to the formation of the elements necessary for life. Scientists will learn a great deal about the production and distribution of these components by researching Betelgeuse. Since people have turned to the stars for direction, inspiration, and meaning for ages, the social implications of the Betelgeuse eruption is equally significant. Philosophical contemplation about the fleeting nature of the cosmos will be prompted by the disappearance of one of the most prominent stars in the Orion constellation. Such divine events have been viewed as omens or indications of significant transformation in some societies. As people from all walks of life witness the death of a star, the Betelgeuse's blast may evoke a mixture of awe, fear, and wonder. This grand event is likely to rekindle interest in space exploration and stargazing, attracting more people to the quest for knowledge about the universe. Amateur astronomers are already getting ready for the event because modern technology makes it possible for almost anyone with a camera or telescope to observe and record the supernova. People from all around the world will be able to see and document the same enormous phenomena from their individual vantage points thanks to the democratization of science. In addition to being a spectacular cosmic event, Betelgeuse's explosion will serve as a springboard for further research. The information obtained from the supernova will help us better understand the life cycles of stars and the characteristics of Supernova as humanity seeks to expand its presence in the solar system and beyond. Additionally, the EXP experiment will rekindle interest in the hunt for extraterrestrial life, as supernovae are crucial for spreading the elements required for life, such as carbon and oxygen. Scientists may get a better understanding of how the elements of life might move to other planetary systems and perhaps ignite life elsewhere in the cosmos by examining the explosion of Betelgeuse. The upcoming explosion of Betelgeuse is expected to be one of the most important cosmic occurrences in recent memory. Its supernova will definitely captivate people worldwide and deliver a plethora of scientific data that will improve our knowledge of the cosmos. As we prepare for this momentous occasion, the world will watch the night sky in anticipation of the moment when one of the universe's most powerful forces explodes into view. For both researchers and stargazers, Betelgeuse's final journey will be breathtaking. As Betelgeuse approaches the last stage of its life, one of the more intriguing but speculative possibilities related to its impending explosion is its potential to shed light on some of the universe's greatest mysteries: dark matter and dark energy. Betelgeuse's death will mark the end of a giant star, but it will also serve as a reminder that from death new stars, planets, and even life itself can emerge. Although these mysterious forces are thought to be responsible for most of the mass and energy in the universe, little is known about them. Some people speculate that supernuclear particles, such as those seen in Betelgeuse, may be the key to understanding some of these mysteries. Supernovae emits enormous quantities of radiation and energy, and some scientists think these strong forces may engage in observable and researchable interactions with dark matter. One fascinating theory is that dark matter exists in the form of weakly interacting massive particles called WIMPs. If WIMPs exist, their interaction with the energy produced by Betelgeuse's supernova could reveal information about their nature. This would be a historic discovery that would provide the first direct proof of dark matter, an elusive phenomenon that has baffled scientists for years. In addition, Betelgeuse blasts may provide information about the nature of dark energy. The enigmatic dark energy, one of the biggest problems facing modern cosmology, is figuring out the force behind the universe's accelerated expansion and how it relates to cosmic evolution. Some scientists suggest that examining the light curves of supernovas, which show how their brightness varies over time, may reveal information about dark. The impact of energy on space-time. The impending explosion of Betelgeuse presents an unparalleled opportunity for groundbreaking research because of its immense magnitude, which will make it visible from all over the world and give scientists a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to study a range of cosmic phenomena, from neutrinos and gamma rays to the possible interactions between dark matter's dark energy and the supernova's radiation. As this extraordinary event develops, much will be discovered that might provide the answer to some of the most important physics and cosmological problems. For science, Betelgeuse's death marks the start of an exciting adventure to solve the universe's secrets, even if it may be one of the last chapters in a star's existence.